Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel and get more views? Well, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you actionable tips and strategies to increase your view, reach a wider audience, and grow your YouTube channel effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, these tips will help take your channel to the next level. Let's get into the video. The first step in growing your YouTube channel is to ensure you create high quality and engaging content. People want to get value for the time they spend watching your video. Therefore, focus on delivering value to your audience. Irrespective of the niche, ensure that your video inform, inspire, or entertain your audience. By so doing, they will stick to your channel and keep coming back to watch more and more of your video. Invest in good equipment for better video and audio quality. However, prioritize content over perfection, because the truth is, the first few videos you will make are definitely going to be bad, but don't be discouraged. The key to success is to ensure that you keep improving on each of your videos until you get it right. The next tips is to structure your video with a compelling hook, engaging middle, and a strong call to action, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. And above all, keep your audience retention high by avoiding long and boring intros. Hook them in the first 10 seconds. Hope you love what you're watching. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will get to watch more videos like this. Let's grow together. Thank you. The next important tips is to optimize your YouTube titles, thumbnail, and description. Use catchy titles that create curiosity or solve a problem. The truth is, YouTube is a search engine, and people come to find solution to a specific need or problem. Therefore, creating content that tries to solve a particular problem will automatically drive traffic to your channel, thereby increasing your channel view. Design eye-catching thumbnails that stand out. YouTube thumbnails are the first image that your audience see before they click your video, and you can use free YouTube thumbnail templates in Canva to design nice YouTube thumbnails with bold fonts, bright colors, and clear images that will attract audience to your YouTube channel. The next tips: write keyword-rich description to help YouTube understand your content and boost discoverability. You can use VidIQ to search for keywords that will help you rank in YouTube search engine, thereby helping viewers to discover your video and watch your video. The next important tips is to use YouTube tags and hashtags in your videos. It is very important for you to use relevant tags in order to tell YouTube what your video is all about. YouTube tags are phrases or keywords that creators put in their videos to describe their content, and this helps YouTube algorithm to be able to understand what your video is all about, and this helps you to rank high in the YouTube search engine, thereby enabling viewers to discover your videos and watch your videos. And this is very important. If you take it seriously, you are going to grow your YouTube channel. And similar to the above is YouTube hashtags. And these are clickable words or phrases that is preceded with a hash symbol that creators use to categorize and highlight their videos. These hashtags helps viewers discover content related to specific topics or trends by grouping videos that have similar hashtags together. And this will help people discover your video on YouTube, thereby increasing your content view. And the next important tip is to use YouTube playlists and end screens. It is very important for you to organize your videos into playlists so that a particular viewer that visits your channel can watch the first video in the playlist and also watch other videos under that particular playlist. This will help you to organize your channel more effectively and also keep your viewers stuck on your YouTube channel watching your video. Another tip is to use end screen. End screens are related videos that pops out at the end of the particular video. You embed this end screen in a particular video and it pops out at the end of that video, thereby directing your viewers to watch your next video. By so doing, you are keeping your viewers stuck on your channel and they keep watching your videos. And the more they keep watching your videos, the more your content views keep increasing and the more they will likely subscribe to your channel. Another important point to note is that consistency is the key to success on YouTube. So ensure that you post consistently. Don't be discouraged when people are not watching your video. Just keep posting and keep putting in the effort and keep improving on your videos. And make sure that you engage with your audience. Try to reply their messages and try to ask questions after each of your video, thereby asking your viewers to put answers to that question in the comment section. This will keep your channel growing because the more your viewers interact with you, the more they are promoting that particular content for other people to also watch it. And the next tip is to ensure that you promote your content. You can post the link to a particular content in other social media platforms like Facebook, like Reddit, and other social media platforms, and also Facebook groups, so that other people will get to see your YouTube link and see your YouTube video and also watch your video. So you are not totally leaving the YouTube algorithm to promote your video. You are also helping to promote that video in order to reach more viewers. And this will actually help your YouTube channel to grow more faster. I hope you're getting something great in this video. The last but not the least is to ensure you are following up all your YouTube videos that you're uploading on your channel. Make sure you use YouTube Analytics to analyze the performance of your video and look out for the ones that are performing well and make more videos related to that so that you will keep growing on YouTube. Now remember, YouTube is filled with a lot of creators. Patience is the key on YouTube. As you apply all these tips and put all the efforts, be patient, and one day you will surely share your success story on YouTube. And also you can collaborate with other creators in order to push your YouTube videos. And definitely, I am waiting to hear your success story very soon. If you find value in this video, of which I know you do, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you will be able to see more content like this. And also, I'd like to hear your success story in the comment section. Until I see you in the next tutorial, keep growing, and very soon you will share your success story. See you.